Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Coil Pack Set of 4. This Ignition Coil Pack Set of 4 is for various Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles with either the 2.0 liter or 2.4 liter engines. A few vehicles these engines can be found in include the Chrysler 200 or Sebring, Dodge Avenger, Caliber, or Journey, and Jeep Compass or Patriot. Years do vary from 2007 to 2017, so please review the list below or contact us to confirm if these fit your car or SUV. What your ignition coil packs do is they receive a signal from your vehicle's ECU to send power to the spark plugs, which ignites fuel in your engine at the right time. All of these coil packs have the primary, secondary, and magnetic cores inside, which provide a very strong and precise spark, which is sent through the high voltage connection to each individual spark plug. Replacing an ignition coil can traditionally solve common cylinder misfires and rough running issues. So, if your Chrysler, Dodge, or Jeep 4-cylinder has started to misfire, idle erratically, or it hesitates under acceleration, the original coil packs might be blamed. Additionally, a specific check engine light pointing to a cylinder misfire may also be present if one or more aren't working. While these ignition coil packs are not a genuine OEM part, they do have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish as they were designed as a direct OEM replacement, thanks to the high quality construction throughout and, of course, the OEM plug. Installation of these ignition coil packs can vary based on which vehicle you are working on. However, this is traditionally a very easy to do job yourself. Pop open your hood, locate your coil packs on top of the engine, unplug the coil pack harness, and then remove the commonly a T30 torque using the T30 torque bit or torque wrench. Then pop out the old coil pack. Reinstall in the reverse order. If you have any questions about this replacement ignition coil pack set, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.